What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, another video. Today we're going to be doing another chameleon cell pour, but we're not going to let the chameleon cells take over the whole canvas. We're just going to follow certain contours and lines that would look more appealing. The colors we're using is a light green, neon pink, violet, and titanium white. None of these colors are mixed with any silicone at all. They're just 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. The pouring medium used is Artist Loft pouring medium at 2 parts to 1 part paint. The white is a base coat. So we're just going to put the base coat down, and then we're going to start layering our 9-ounce cup. This is a 12 by 12 square canvas, and with that we're just going to start layering the cup. How is everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing great. So I'm just making layers so that the colors, as I make the cells later, they will have contrast between the layers. So when the cells open up, they expose all the different layers of color that are underneath. This is going to be a flip cup. It is getting warm here in Detroit, but I can say that I'm looking very forward to moving to Arizona and starting the painting journey over there. It's going to be a good time. We are almost layered. I am very grateful for the warm weather. The winters here are kind of brutal. All right, and then we have our little cup, and we get to make our mess. Wow, all right. It did make a big mess, but it's got some really cool colors and layers going in. Pop some of these little bubbles. And since these cups are all about empty, we're not too concerned with getting extra paint in them. Okay. Well, that's really cool looking. It's more green than anything else though, but all the other pinks and stuff are underneath. So those will be exposed after. Maybe I should pop those bubbles now before we expand it and make it bigger. If we can pop them. There's one. 2. All right. Okay. Let me try to center some of this, like you can see the transparencies of the colors. You got that purple and then the white, the purple going through it, the green over top. You can tell there's pink underneath. And just do a little spin. I think it's super cool how you can see all the little layers of paint there. And then, as per the usual, we have a toothpick and then this coconut milk hair serum from OGX. It's from Walgreens or CVS, Target, any grocery store will have it for the most part. I'm going to try to follow the lines within the painting and just do, instead of taking over the whole canvas, maybe just do a little section through the center. As you can see, you don't need much silicone at all. And then the cells will just continue to open up. Wow, look at these colors already. There's that really, really bright pink in the middle. I like that. That's really cool. And I'm just trying to follow the contours where the colors are already kind of laying from where we flipped. because I do like some of the really natural transparencies that are going on either side of this. I think they look really cool. Take this all the way up here then, because it looks like it should go that way. And then go through and find little areas where the cells didn't really quite open up yet. Like there's this one here, for some reason it's being stubborn, so we'll try going next to it and see if that changes it. Or maybe right inside it again. I think it's opening up now. All right, so we're gonna give this about 15 minutes, let all the cells completely open up, and then we will come back and see what it looks like. So I got overexcited and took it off the spinner and put it in the closet, and I forgot that I was gonna show you guys exactly how big these cells got. So this is the way it looks wet. A lot of the cells grew into really cool lines. I like them. So we're gonna come back after it's dry.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.